Hello student, good morning. This is Raman Gowda, lecturer in commerce, Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. As we know, we are discussing problems on interpolation and the extrapolation. Interpolation and the extrapolation we are discussing. Interpolation and extrapolation we are discussing. Already I have told you that two methods are there. One is the binomial method and another one is the Newton's method. Newton methods. So in this, now we are discussing the problems on binomial method. In this, we will find out the missing values. In this, we will find out the missing values. Missing values we will find out. So that missing value, these they have given. Many problems we have discussed. Okay, here is the one more problem they have given. Okay, let us discuss the problem. From the following data, estimate the production of the expectancy of an average Indian for the year 1980 and the 2010. What is the problem? From the following data, estimate the probable life expectancy. Okay, what is this? This is probable life expectancy. Probable life expectancy. Probable life expectancy. Probable life expectancy, an average Indian for the year 1918 and 2010. Right? They have asked. Okay, the birth year they have given, birth year, and the life expectancy in a year they have given. 1950 life expectancy is 68.2 years. 1960 it is 69.7 years. 1970 it is 70.8 years. 1980 it is, we have to find out. This we have to find out. This we have to find out. Okay, next, in the year 1990 it is 75.4 and in the year 2000 it is 77 and 2010. Okay, we have to find out y6. Okay, these things we have to find out. This is the problem. Here the missing values are 2. What are those missing values? The missing values are here. Missing values are y3 and y6. y3 and the y6 we have to find out. So this y3 and the y6 are considered as the missing values. Okay, these missing values we have to find out. These missing values we have to find out. Okay, many problems we have discussed. Now we will discuss the one more problem. Right, solution. Since the known values are 5, okay, here how many known values they have given? The 5 values. What is that? Y0 is the known value, y1 also is the known value, y2 also is the known value, and y4 is also a known value, and another one is the y5 is also a known value. It means here totally how many the known values they have given? They have given the known values are 3. Unknown values are, it is 2 and the known values are 5. So here they have given, since the known values are 5, Okay, estimation based on the expansion of delta phi. Okay, delta phi or y minus 1 to the power of phi or y minus 1 to the power of phi. If I expand this one, I will get the equation. So already I have told you that y minus 1 to the power of phi means this one, y minus 1 to the power of means this one. Okay, and this is considered as a Pascal triangle. These all are the values, okay, we should put in the equation, right? Okay, right. If I expand y minus 1 to the power of phi, y minus 1 to the power of phi, already I told you that y5, y4, y3, y2, y1 and y0. It means in a decreasing order, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I have written. Next, I told you that plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus we have to write. Okay, just to take a notebook and you please enter the values. Properly. I have in a decreasing order 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus I have entered. Next, these values 5, I will get that value from here. Okay, 1 from the Pascal triangle, y to the power of 5 means this is, okay, it is 1. Next, it is 5, I have taken, it is 5, so 5. Next one is 10, so I have entered the 10 values, so I have entered 10 value. Next one is 10, I have entered. Next one is also a 10. Next is also a 10. Okay, next is 5. After 10 it is 5. Okay, next is it is 1, so that 1 value I have entered here, so it is 1. So this equation is considered as equation number 1. This equation is considered as equation number 1. So here we will get the 1 values. We have to determine the value of y3. It means put all the values, known values. Y4 we know, okay, y2 we know, okay, that all the values we should put here. I will put one by one, right? y5, what is the y5 value? Y5 value they have given, it is 77. Okay, the 77 I have written, minus as it is, okay, 5 into 70. What is the y4 value? Y4 value is 75.4. It is 75.4 I have written, plus it is there, plus I have written here. Okay, 10 into 10 I have taken. What is the y3 value? Y3 value we should find out here. Already I have told you that y3 value we should find out here. So I have entered as it is. This y3 I have entered as it is. Okay, that y3 we have to find out. Okay, next one is minus. I have taken the minus as it is. 10 into y2, what is the y2 value? 70.8. It is 70.8. Okay, plus I have, it is there, plus I have taken 5 into, okay, what is the y1 value? Y1 value is 69.7. okay, it is 69.7 I have entered. Next, minus as it is I have taken. Okay, what is the y0 value? Y0 value is 68.2. it is 68.2. So on simplification, if I simplify all these things, okay, just to take a calci, okay, and simplify this equation by taking a calci. If you simplify this equation, What the equation? If you simplify this equation, okay, we will get the value. We will get the values. Okay, 77 minus 5 into 7.5, 4. Take a calci. 10 into 70.8 plus 5 into 69.7 minus 68.2. Okay, you simplify, we will get, on simplify we will get, it is 10y3 minus 727.7. okay, therefore what we required, y3 is equal to 727.7 divided by 10 is equal to 72.77. okay, years. It means in the year 1980, the values or the life expectancy is 72.77 years. It is 72.77 years. Okay, that is the y3 value what we have find out. Next what we should identify, another value, it is y6. We have to find out the y6 value, right? If I want to find the y6 value, I should increase the one suffixes to the y minus 1 to the power of 5. Why? If I increase the 1 instead of, okay, y5, I should write the y6. okay, here is the there, we will discuss, right? Hence the probable life expectancy for the year 1980 is 72.77. what we have find here, it is 72.77 years. Now we expand y minus 1 to the power of 5 with the changes of subscript and keeping the coefficients as same. The subscripts we should increase. Subscript means y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. These all other subscripts are there. If I increase those subscripts and keeping the coefficient as it is, what are the coefficient? These coefficients, okay, 5, 10, 10, 5. okay, these all are the coefficients. By keeping these coefficient as it is, if I increase the subscripts, I will get the equation, okay, like this. What is, if I increase y5, if I increase y6, y5, y4, y3, y2 and the y1. okay, without, I have not changed the any coefficients, only I have increased the y value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ y values ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ y5 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y5, y4, y3 ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು y6, y4, y5, y4, y3 ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. So here the equation 2 is equation number 2. The equation number 2 is, it is by increasing the one y value. Instead of writing y5, we should write the y6, y5. okay, in a same manner, in a decreasing order. Okay, again we have to put the values. Okay, what are the values? Y6 values we have to put. We don't know the Y6 value, so Y6 value we don't know. That the Y6 value we should find out. Okay, the Y6 values I have to find out. So Y6 value we don't have any Y6 value. Next one is the 5 into Y5 value. What is the Y5 value? Y5 value is 77. So the 77 I have entered. Plus is there. I have taken the plus values. Okay, 10 into what is the Y4 value? Y4 values they have given, it is 75.4. so 75.4 I have entered. Next, minus value is there. Minus values I have taken, it is 10 into what is the Y3 value? Y3 values already we have find out here. Okay, what is the Y3 value? We have find out here, it is 72.77. that 72.77 we have to put here. Okay, that is the 72.77 values. Okay, next plus I have taken as it is. 5 into it is what is the Y2 value? Y2 value is 70.8. so it is 70.8 I have taken. Okay, minus. Okay, what is the Y1 values? Y1 value is this. Y1 value is 69.7. this 69.7 I have entered. Right, these all are the values I have put in the equation number 2. Okay, I have put this equation number 2. That Y3 value we should put here. Okay, Y3 values we have identified. Okay, if I simplify this one, okay, if I simplify this equation, okay, just to take a calci, 5 into 77 plus 10 into 75.4 minus 10 into 72.77 plus 5 into 70.08 minus 69.7. right, by simplifying this equation, what I will get? I will get it is Y6 minus 74.4. I will get it is 74.4. Okay, just to take a calci and simplify this equation, you will get it is, if I simplify this equation, I will get it is 74.4. it is 74.4. so what we required? We required Y6 value. Therefore Y6 is equal to 74 point, it is 4, 74.4 years. 74.4 years. That 74.4 years is called as the Y6 values. This Y6 value is, it is 74.4. okay, this is the problem on the to find out the missing values. Okay, here we have find out the missing values Y3 and the Y6. These two are considered as the missing value. Then here we will write as a conclusion. What is the conclusion? Hence the missing values are Y3 is equal to, what is the Y3 value? 72.77 years. And what is the Y2 value? Y2 value is, it is not Y2, it is Y6 value is equal to 74.4 years. 74.4 years. So this is the formula, or this is the problem to find out the missing value, okay. Here we can write y2 y3 is equal to 72.77 years, and y2 y6 value is equal to 74.4 years. Okay, this is the problem. Please practice at home by taking a calculator and the notes, maintain the notes, and it's become very easy. Again, I want to inform you that please practice this Pascal triangle. Okay, this Pascal triangle. Okay, from the help of the Pascal triangle only we will find out the values of this 2 to the power of 0, okay, or 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 4, 5 and the 6. Okay, these all are the values. Okay, these all are the values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3, 6. Okay, already I have told you that how to find out the values. Okay, practice at home, it's become very easy for you people.